only a few years ago tractors were all two-wheel drive. It's interesting to see these first two that are four-wheel drive by the sort of 60s, 70s. The manufacturers were making their own four-wheel drive tractors, and now two-wheel drive is unusual. But in the 60s, 50s, 60s, if you saw four-wheel drive, it would have been done by some other firm. It would have been done to you by counting or various other firms that did four-wheel drive, and they would have modified the tractor. We've got a bit of a story here, and you go around with Ferguson, because probably later we'll be seeing triple grey Ferguson that everybody talks about, and then you can see it go up to the 100 range, etc., which we're looking at as two of the 100 range. One's the 148, one's the 188. As the number goes higher, the tractor gets bigger. And then we have a foreigner, the mid-7 and then that. On today, so to speak, changes are going on in those years. John knows a lot more about it than I do. Fortune Dexter was the answer that Fortune came out with to compare it with the 35 that Haley's got here behind, and the Fergusons had gone up through the range. And we were talking about the 100 range just a bit ago, and this is the 35. So that's prior to that.